After having so much of food, definitely at last I drink water. But here they have given me Elnir soda, coconut soda, which is called as, in Kannada it's called as Elnir soda. Guys, last week entirely I was fixed up with some party schedules with my family, so I didn't do any of the vlogs. If I scribble here and there in this vlog, please do forgive me. So let's start up the vlog. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have dropped down to HSR Layout Sector 6, Atte Mane's Biryani Palace. This is a famous restaurant. So this restaurant is not basically of Nati style biryani. They serve Hyderabadi, Chettinad style and tandoors, etc, etc. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this restaurant. The restaurant is completely packed. I think I need to wait for some time so that I might get some place. Bangalore is so damn sunny nowadays in afternoon. In night times it is so cold. Not able to understand climate at all. Guys, the word Atte Mane means mother-in-law's house. So Atte means mother-in-law. So it would be either wife's side or else it would be either husband's side. So here is Soumya. She is the proprietor of Atte Mane's Biryani Palace. So how are you, Soumya?
I'm good. How are you?
All great. So what is the Atte Mane's Biryani Palace concept is?
So the word Atte Mane is actually coined for Atte Mane Masala Private Limited,
Okay.
which is a spice company that deals with exporting and importing of spice powders.
Okay.
And we came up with that concept about a year ago and we started production, and then we happened to chance upon this restaurant,
Okay.
which was there for the past 10 years.
Right.
So we decided that we want to get into the food business and not only just do dry products but also get into the hotel business and all of that. We've always been passionate foodies. So, I mean, we took this opportunity. So, we incorporated Hyderabadi Biryani Palace under Atte Mane Masala Private Limited. Thus, it's called Atte Mane's Biryani Palace.
But Atte Mane means mother-in-law's house.
Yeah,
But
so-
keeping Kannada name and you people are serving Hyderabadi biryani.
So, that's why we're incorporating a lot of our Karnataka dishes. So,
Right.
the Atte Mane Special Biryani is the curated recipe of Atte Mane's Biryani Palace. We're adding a lot. Like our breakfast, Atte Mane's Tindi has otshage, it has dosa, it has kal soup. So all of that is very much in sync with Karnataka. And all of
Right.
that, yeah.
Right. You people are serving leg soup also?
Yeah, in the mornings.
In
It's
the
only on the
mornings.
weekends.
Okay.
So we do Atte Mane's Tindi Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from how many years this restaurant is there?
This restaurant has been here for the past 15 years.
Okay.
We, however, took it over in December of 2020 and we've been running it since then.
Okay. I heard that you people would be giving lot of different types of biryani. So what are the biryani's name?
So there's mutton keema biryani,
Okay.
which is small pieces of keema cut
Right.
in and made in.
Right, right.
Yeah. Then we have the boneless biryani, then we have the prawn biryani, and then we have Atte Mane special.
Okay.
So this is what is not served probably everywhere else being served here. The
Okay.
rest is the usual, the mutton and the chicken biryani.
Okay.
So the new drink that's launching is for the summer. So
Okay.
it's called the tender coconut soda.
Okay.
So it is basically to cool your, it's
Body.
yeah, it's to cool your
Right.
body considering it's summer and all of us drink tender coconut. So we thought instead of giving you an aerated drink or anything, we would mix the tender coconut with the soda. So it's a
Sounds good.
special dish done right here.
Okay.
We're officially launching the Elnir soda from the 1st of March 2021.
Sounds great. Now let's go and have some food. mega thali. So in that mega thali, I'm not gonna be getting this starter. This I ordered separately. So this is Guntur wings. In this, it comes out in thali itself. So the thali later I'll be showing you. First, let us start with prawn pepper. So I've taken 3 pieces of prawn. Let me start having this. The prawn is really very soft. The pepper taste is really very dominating. And dhania taste, that is like quite dominating in this. The chili spiciness is quite high because they have used raw fried chilies for sorting this prawns. Whatever the masala they have coated, it has coated up really very well. For prawn, they have used corn flour, first oil fried, then they have done this sorting of masalas with some sauces. So slightly the sauce feeling is there. Sauce feel is not so much, but one of the dominating feel is raw spices, powders, whatever they have used in this prawn pepper dry. The prawn is also sweet. In that they have put lot of onions for salting this. Even that onions sweetness is there, fried onion sweetness. In that here and there, the sauce has been completely sticked. So the slightly sweetness of sauce is there. The crispiness feel is really fantastic when I'm having prawn. When I'm biting the prawn, the crispiness feel is coming in a next level, and all the powders, chaat masala, garam masalas, and most of the spices like pepper and all, that is completely bursting inside the mouth. Just look at this. The spices have got so much stick to this corn flour, fried corn flour. Guys, this is Guntur wings. So this comes out in that mega thali as a starter. Slightly it's gravy type, not completely dry. I have tried in lot of places Guntur chicken, and this is the first time that I am trying Guntur wings. Guys, this is fried wings. The wings are really very juicy. I love wings to the core. And they have used slightly tomato ketchup and lot of finely chopped garlic. So the garlic taste is really very dominating in this. The Guntur chili spiciness is here and there at last. But main part, once you eat this wing, the sweetness is slightly there. After that, the spiciness is in next level. They have used some special spices in this. Slightly the cardamom flavor is there. Cinnamon and cardamom flavor at last. Gravy. Or else on chicken, the garlic flavor is really very dominating. And the spiciness of the Guntur chili flakes. And even they have used this capsicum. So someone is calling. They have used capsicum and all, as I told you. But this Guntur wings is tasting something like chicken Manchurian. Almost same taste, but spiciness is quite high. And they have used curry leaves a lot. The curry leaves flavor has to be there. And even here and there, chilies. Chilies. So we have to be careful when we are eating this Guntur wings or wings Guntur, anything. This is mega thali. So this is mutton keema biryani, and this is chicken biryani, and that is I think normal biryani. Let's ask him once. So this is mutton biryani. This is mutton keema biryani, and that is chicken biryani. So this two I had an idea, but this I didn't have an idea because I was not able to see the pieces. On top of keema, I'm able to see lot of cashews, not one or two, almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cashews in almost 2 spoons. Rice, they have used basmati rice. Taste is good. They have used cinnamon and cardamom, finely chopped chilies, and some coriander leaves. Once you eat that rice, basmati rice, the flavor is quite high. What is that flavor? that they can't tell because it's a special masalas whatever they have used in their restaurant. This is mutton keema bite. Wow. The cashew sweetness is completely high. The fried cashew sweetness, especially, and the ghee has been used in the keema. So slightly the ghee aroma and taste is there when I'm eating this mutton keema with this biryani. When I'm adding this keema masala with this biryani, then the spices are completely filled in the rice, and the fat taste is also there in this keema biryani.
Mutton or chicken?
I'll try with mutton biryani. Mutton. Because mutton keema, right? Once I get back to chicken, I don't feel like eating mutton, so I want to finish off mutton. So normal mutton biryani. This is not normal actually. They have sprinkled some onions, fried onions. Usually the fried onions will be sprinkled in Hyderabadi biryanis. Let me mix this mutton biryani and have a first bite. Guys, fried onion taste is really very good with this basmati rice biryani. It is giving a fantastic taste. The mutton is being cooked really well. Whoa. Here is a masala which has been stick to the meat. The rice is not so great without the meat. The meat has to be there in this biryani. Then only the rice comes out great. And all kinds of masala which is all sticked in this meat itself. I have used ghee in this also. The taste wise is really fantastic and the quality of the mutton is in next level, guys. Just look at this meat. It is so damn soft and juicy. The fat is completely laying outside the meat. Guys, this is chicken biryani. Almost mutton and chicken is same, but meat is slightly changed. Whatever they are using rice, right? It is all same. They cook the rice first, mutton they are cooking separately, and chicken they are cooking it separately. Whoa. I've got this rice in some dum part. Dum part means that roasted flavor of the rice is there in this chicken biryani. So it is giving a very good taste. Eating roasted rice is in different level. If mom prepare biryani slightly down, if that burnt part is there, no, that will taste good more than biryani. Chicken is cooked really good. When they are serving in this biryani, they mix chicken, then they salt it in this kadai and they give it. This is the USP dish of Atte Mane's Biryani Palace. Guys, this Atte Mane biryani doesn't come in that mega thali. So this is separate biryani. I can see a big piece of chicken, so which is in green color. I think they have used spinach and some grinded chilies. So let me have a first bite. Slightly the green color of the rice is there on top. After that, again same old orange color rice. Guys, just amazing. As I told you people, this entire thing, whatever you can see it in the green color, it's grinded chilies and slightly spinach has been grinded up in this masala. This is really very spicy. As I told you, the grinded chilies and slightly the spinach has been used. So this is in green color. But taste wise, it's really very spicy and you can enjoy the food when you're having this Atte Mane's biryani. Lot of cameos has been added and lot of ghee has been added in this biryani, but still the spiciness is there because they have grinded the chili and they have poured in this biryani. So you have to understand the spiciness. It is a next level. Almost this biryanis and all, it was like medium spicy, but this is, I can say, more spicy. Guys, finally I finished my food. I really enjoyed almost all biryani except that Atte Mane's biryani, because that was really very spicy, guys. Whoever loves spicy, for them it's fine. A person who is on diet, definitely he can't have that biryani. But one best part of this restaurant is whoever is buying this Atte Mane biryani, they are gonna be getting this chocolate free at last. After having so much of food, definitely at last I drink water. But here they have given me Elnir soda, coconut soda, which is called as, in Kannada it's called as Elnir soda. I was very much excited to try this tender coconut soda from beginning, but they have served me at last, because tender coconut won't be standing as a bottle. So at last, guys, I'm very much excited because I would be the first person to try this in this restaurant as a customer, because this tender coconut soda is gonna be getting launched from March first week. So now it's time to taste this tender coconut soda. Tender coconut is there, that water is there, but with that they have mixed some soda, and slightly they have put one flavor, that is rose, right, that is rose serum. Rose serum is being added, so the rose serum taste is really very dominating. After having so much of food, this is must and should, especially in summer when you are eating lot of chicken. Mutton chalta hai, if you are eating lot of mutton, chalo theek hai, but when you are having seafood or when you are having chicken, this is must and should, you have to have this. And one more thing, after trying this Atte Mane special biryani, my god, you have to try this, because it's going to be really very difficult for next day morning to tolerate ourselves. The food was really great and fantastic, no doubt about it. I really enjoyed my food. The price will be mentioned in the description part, as well as location. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment, and catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.